So ang aming right side is incoming. So just be patient. Hintayin mo lang yung tamang yung correct timing mo on when to go. Huwag yung alanganin ka tapos attack lang ng attack. Diba, Cris?
Yes.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place.
Yun. Alright. Hey guys, kamusta? We're back again sa Strathpine with Cris again. Yung last video niya. Kamusta, Cris?
Okay naman po. Thank you.
Magte-test na siya next month. So she started with 0 driving experience up to now. Nag-decide tayo na mag-test na siya kasi nga marunong na, confident na siya on driving, and then na-polish na natin yung mga kailangan dapat i-polish. Right now, gusto na namin ipakita yung area sa Strathpine, yung medyo critical area. Knowing Strathpine, this is a challenging test center kasi masikip yung daan. Pero it's a tiny konting ikot lang ang Strathpine. Maliit lang yung area ng Strathpine, pero ang challenging lang is yung masikip yung daan, yung laning ninyo. Anyway, pakita lang namin ni Cris, iikot lang kami on a particular area, on the particular place dito sa Strathpine. Ito yung place na pauwi na kayo ng transport, dito kayo dadaan. Maraming critical, maraming na-fail dito na na spot, na place. So move off kami ni ni Cris. Tapos pakita namin. Along the way, mag-explain tayo kung ano mga meron sa daan para lang may mga tips kayo and reminders on your tests, on your lessons. Guys, try to memorize yung mga daan para yun nga, para sa next lesson ninyo. It will be much easier kasi nga nakita nyo sa dito sa video namin. Okay, Cris?
Yep.
So moving off tayo. Look around and then shoulder check on your right. Safe to go. That's it. Okay, indicators off. So look ahead. Anong sign? There you go. Positioning sa left, incoming cars on my right. So ang aming right side is incoming. So just be patient. Hintayin mo lang yung tamang yung correct timing mo on when to go. Huwag yung alanganin ka tapos attack lang ng attack. Diba, Cris?
Yes.
It. So examiner will tell you here to stay on the lane. If may sinabing stay on the lane, you will wonder bakit ka ipapastay sa lane. So ang role natin, you check the road, you check the signs. Anong meron, Cris?
Left.
That's it. So na-check ni Cris, may road markings na left. Pedestrian, tatawid ba? Nakatalikod naman sa atin, so hindi.
On this particular slip lane, prepare to slow down or stop, move your head, left, and right, to check for pedestrian crossing.
Going straight lang tayo. I'll check the lights, going straight. Assess the road, then wait for instructions. So check nyo guys yung yung mga markings on the left.
We are now entering this particular area at Strathpine. The speed here is very critical. So, always check for signs, observe the road and scan ahead.
stay here on the lane going straight. So if you notice yung first na sign, yung yellow sign, just like this one, ayan yung yellow sign, bump, speed bump. Itong next na naman is meron siyang speed on a speed bump. So kailangan 20 lang on a speed bump. After the speed bump, ano yung speed ulit dito, Chris?
40, sir.
40. So na-check natin kanina 40 area. Ito, nire-remind kayo ulit 40 area. Tight corner. Look farthest. Okay, look for signs ahead. Always look ahead, far ahead. Zigzag, 25 daw. Give way kung merong car. Wala namang incoming, so 25 lang ako here. That's it. Back roads siya, guys. So lahat ng back roads may nakapark na car. So pag may nakapark na car, practice your road position. Okay, can you turn left here please? Magaling to si ano, guys, si Cris. Magaling yung ano niya, listening skills. Tsaka ang bilis makagets.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Baka magaling ang instructor mo.
Yeah.
So again, itong area na ito, guys, ito yung pauwi na kayo. Minsan kasi yung student, naorasan niya yung time. Sige, tawid ka muna. So continue. Nag-stop yung sasakyan, yung white na car, guys, kasi siya yung may giveaway sign. So kailangan niya mag-giveaway. Okay, examiners won't tell you anything here. So check again your signs on the left. May arrow. Ang arrow is right, pero may buntot yung arrow. So ibig sabihin, continuous right. Main road tayo, no need to indicate. Sharp right lang. Yun. Then next right tayo, please. Next right. Alright. This is the last, kumbaga pauwi na talaga kayo. Mga 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Nasa transport na kayo. Don't get too excited. As long as nakaupo pa yung examiner, hindi pa tapos yung test. Tama ba, Chris?
Yes, sir.
Ang daming mga fail dito kasi nga akala nila tapos na. Turn right tayo here. Indicate right. T-section coming up. Check and double check. Yun. Good job. The end of the road, left turn tayo please. Left turn. Good job. Then turn right here. Turn right. So checkin yung head movements ni Cris. Check and double check. That's it. Okay, just go straight. Assess the road. So yun lang yung yung pinakita namin, yung area na yon, very critical sa inyo. Pauwi ninyo. finishing na lang kayo sa test ninyo, so just be careful there. Okay, so see you mamaya. Gagawa ulit kami ng ng maneuvers ni Cris, yung easy one lang. Okay, so mag-pull over na lang tayo, Cris, and wherever you want, just right here. Wag lang sa driveway. Beautiful. Okay.